Hi, in this video I will show you the important things to change in the option settings. Let's start. First, it's either you open a file or make a new file. Let's make a new file. Now here, type in OPT. It will show the full word options. Press enter. Here you can see here the crosshair size is 20. It means this crosshair is not infinite line. If you want to make it shorter, again right click the mouse, repeat options, make it let's say example 10 or 11, apply. Okay, it's now short. If you want to make it infinite line, right click, repeat options, make it 100, apply. Okay, like so. Then right click again, repeat options, here we can change the colors. So if this 2D model space is let's say it shows like this, you can go to the colors, change it to black, apply, black. Then this sheet layout, which is the layout 1 and 2, or if there's only one layout, just go to the layout, click, this is white, and you can see when you scroll up and scroll down, there's a background paper, there's a printable area, the broken line, and the M view, or the layout in the model. Right click or type in say right click, go down, options, colors. Let's say you want to make it white or you want to make it black, apply. So the paper, it went black. And if you want the background to be black, change to black, apply. Now here, if you don't want to see this printable area, uncheck this display printable area, apply. But better there's a printable area, apply. Then the other part will be the open and save. Always make it a lower version, let's say 2013, for once you send the AutoCAD file to your friends or your office mate, or for the client or the consultant, they can definitely open it because it's a lower version. Then plot, there's nothing to change here unless you have a default printer. System, nothing here. User preference, let's say this shortcut menu is unchecked, apply. Okay, once you right click the mouse, whatever the last command or the last thing that you made in the AutoCAD, let's say options menu, plot, or you command the move, it will automatically again will execute like these options. Let's say when I right click, it will show options. When I press enter, it will show options. When I press spacebar, it will show the options. That's the purpose of this shortcut. Once it is unchecked, apply OK. When you right click, it will show this drop down menu. You can do undo option, pan, zoom, like this. So for me it's better to be unchecked. Otherwise, for you it's better to be checked. You can check it or uncheck it. Double click editing. Once you uncheck this one, apply OK. Let's say you have a measurement or dimension. Once you double click, you want to change this into different size, or you want to add a word. Once you double click it, it will you cannot edit or add. So escape. See, once I make an enter, press enter, space, right click, then the right click, it shows the pull down menu, which is repeat, dim, linear. So for me, let's go back to options, check this, apply, OK. Once you double click, now you can add or you can change the measurement like so. So option again, this is OK. This for a fast movement, it's better to make it unchecked. So you just have to press enter or spacebar or right click. So once you uncheck this, apply, whatever the last, it will show. Spacebar, press enter, escape, right click, escape. Escape is for cancelling in the selection. Say pick box and the grip size, apply, OK. See, the pick, it went bigger. So again, right click, let's just make it as normal, and that's it. That's the only thing that you have to change in the options setting.